This is CPM Calculus Chapter 3, number 46. So here we're asked to find the area of our function h between 0 and 8. Okay, and this is how h is defined. Negative absolute value of x minus 4 plus 4. Sketch a graph and shade in the region. Okay, so first of all, we can graph this with our calculator, but let's not. Let's start off by looking at the graph. Y is equal to absolute value of x. Okay, we know that that graph it looks like this, right? And this is a common parent graph that we see. So what this is doing to it now is minus 4 is it's shifting it to the right by 4. Plus 4 over here is shifting it up vertically by 4. And this negative is reflecting it across the x-axis. Okay, so just a quick little sketch about what's that doing. Let's do the minus 4 shifting it to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like this. Right? That negative reflects it across the axis. So let's do another for the negative. It's just going to be like this. Right? It's reflecting it across our axis here. And the plus 4 shifts it up. Okay, so let me take a different color. It shifts it up 1, 2, 3, 4 units up here. Okay, so this in pink is our function h of x. H of x after it's gone through all the transformations. So let me draw it again. H of x equals to negative absolute value of x minus 4 plus 4. And that's going to look like this. This. Right? And this right here is 4. And if you plug in what makes this 0? Well, if x is 8, right? 8 minus 4 is going to be 4. Negative of 4 is going to cancel out with positive 4. Likewise, 0 here is going to equal 0 because 0 minus 4 is negative 4. The absolute value of negative 4 is positive 4. Negative of positive 4 becomes negative 4 again. Negative 4 plus 4 equals 0. So this is a sketch of the graph. Sketch a graph. So sketch the graph. Shade in the region. So the region is between 0 and 8, right? So let me shade it in. It's going to be this area right here, right? That's the area that we're looking for. And so let's go ahead and find the area. Well, what shape is this? Okay, well, I see a triangle. So I can find the exact area of this by looking at the area of a triangle. So A, H, 0 less than x less than 8. So this area in green is exactly equal to, not approximately, the base times height times 1/2. That's the area of this triangle, right? So if I were to make this a nice clean triangle, it has 3 sides, right? These are the 3 sides of the triangle. So the base right here, this is the base, and then this distance here is the height. So I know the base is from 0 to 8, which is 8 units. So let me just plug this in. 1/2, 8 units as the base. And what's the height? Well, the height is the value of our function at x equals to 4. So let's quickly say h is equal to, right, h as our height is equal to our function at 4, which is negative the absolute value of 4 minus 4 plus 4. So that's 0 plus 4 is 4. So our height is 4. Okay, multiply all these together and you get 16. Okay, and what are the units? Well, for area, it's just base, right? Area is base times height. Base times height here. So we know it's units squared. Box your answer. And we are done with CPM Calculus Chapter 3, number 46.